Hi, everyone, and welcome back to iMyFone's official YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to factory reset an iPad if you forgot your password. Let's go! How to factory reset an iPad if you forgot your password is a popular topic on all Apple device platforms, websites, and forums. Therefore, we are here to give you the best solution to fix your lock for a disabled iPad when the passcode is forgotten. iMyFone LockWiper is a specific iPhone password wiper. This application is very popular in the market. It is almost recommended block by file allows you to reset your iPhone or iPad in any scenario, even in the case you don't know the Apple ID and password. You can use it to solve the issue easily. It supports to unlock Apple ID, screen passcode, screen time passcode, and bypass mobile device management on the iOS device. Next, let's see how it should be done. Step 1. Choose Unlock the screen passcode and tap on Start to start unlocking. Step 2. Connect your device and click Next. Step 3. Download the firmware package for your iPad by tapping Download to extract afterward. Now the firmware has been downloaded. When it has finished, click Start to extract to proceed to the next step. Click Start Unlock tab after the extraction. Step 4. Enter 000000 into the box. Good job! Only one last step left. Step 5. Click Unlock to reset your iPad while the password has been removed successfully. Now we can start setting up and restoring the data back. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.